I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
On this day, it was my son Ezra's last day before he started kindergarten, so I wanted to kind of capture what our mornings have looked like the last 2 years since we've had our youngest son. We always head back to my room and put on cartoons, and we just spend some time snuggled up in my bed before we get ready for the day. Before we get started decorating today, I wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up at TJ Maxx because I didn't film like a shop with me video. I did a little mini one on my Instagram stories, but I guess we should start with what I already have showing. This mug is one of my favorites. It was only $4.99. I feel like you can't beat prices at TJ Maxx, Ross, Home Goods, Marshalls. They always have the cutest things at the most affordable prices. So this Hello Pumpkin mug is probably my favorite mug that I have picked up this year. Again with the garlands, you guys already know that I can't say no to garland. I have been looking for a candy cane garland for years, like I think 3 years now. And 2 years ago I made my own because I was that desperate to have one. And I found one finally at TJ Maxx. This one was $14.99. Super happy to find this. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'll find a cute place for it. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, you guys probably already saw this at the intro of my video. My pumpkin spice candle. I wanted to get a candle this year that was orange, like orange glass. This one was $9.99. I hate the dang stickers when they're on the side like that. They're kind of hard to get off, but it smells really nice and it burns really nice. It made my house smell really good today, so love the smell of this candle. This price was amazing for this. So this is a soap dispenser that's shaped like a pumpkin, so that's cute. It was only $5.99, and it has a pumpkin smelling soap inside, so I love swapping these out during the holidays. So during Halloween, I wanted to have some kind of pumpkin scent, but I love how much cuter this is in this kind of container. So I got one for our bathroom and another one for our kitchen. So 2 of those. This is new. I got a new teapot, which I think is just so cute. It looks like it's wooden. The handle looks like it's wooden. It's actually rubber, but I just love the look of this, and I want this to stay on our stovetop at all times. So love this. What else we got? Another throw, because you can't have too many of these. This throw blanket was just $16.99. So beautiful. It kind of looks similar to this one behind me, but you can't have too many throws. So I'm really happy with this. I feel like throws are just perfect to cozy up a space. Now moving on to decorating. So my original plan to start was I was going to do my family room. I've been really excited to decorate our family room, but it's currently under construction right now. So we're gonna have to hold off on that. I'm really excited to show you guys what we're doing over there. I'm pretty sure that will be the next video that goes up, will be me decorating that room. And I will be showing you like a reveal of how this room turned out, because it looks totally different than it used to. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. So we're gonna start in the dining room today. I'm kind of giving you a sneak peek right now of this little spooky tree we got going on here. I'm trying to mix fall with Halloween. We're gonna see if it can be done. That's what I'm going for this year, because I do love like orange, like the autumn tones, but I also am like throwing in some spookiness, or like spider webs or crows or big spiders, you know, those kind of things. So I'm hoping that no matter what kind of style you guys are going for this season, if you're going for Halloween or fall, that either way you guys can be inspired by this decor. So let's get started with the dining room. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have ready for this over here on my dining table. Now I'm just sharing some decor I brought out of my bins, along with some new decor I thought I would like to use in this room. I will be sure to link or list where every single item is from, so be sure to check the description box below. But I thought I would try and see if my DIY man on the moon would work in here, so I'm excited to finally use this piece. I do have a tutorial making this if you're interested in that video, and I will also have that linked below. My first idea for this room was to have a big creepy tree. So I just removed the green stems from the tree that I made just a few months ago. They were really easy to pluck out, and then I just tied a big dead branch that I found outside to this tree that I had in my dining room. It actually had some dead leaves already attached to it, so I thought it looked perfect as is. I was actually going to glue on some of my faux leaves, but because these branches already had some leaves on them, I thought I would just try to preserve them and hopefully they will stay attached to the stems. To end the night, I wanted to try out these Pillsbury pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls, and they were honestly my favorite cinnamon rolls I've ever had. Way over their regular cinnamon rolls. I thought these were 10 out of 10, 5 stars, literally the best store-bought cinnamon rolls I've ever made. One of our favorite things to do as a family at night is to sit around the fire on the porch that's just right outside of our dining room. So I thought I would include some of those moments with you guys.